right? Next, left of me is Vanessa, and then this is Kairunisa Ibrahim, Wiwin Hendiani, and Sri Mulyati, right? And of course, you know us.
Now, basically what they're doing is they're unlawfully denying Malaysian citizenship to these 4 girls, rendering them stateless in their own countries. Stateless means that they cannot have access to anything. No IC, no education, limited access to healthcare, etc., etc. So it is literally allowing someone to live in limbo in this country. It's not easy to get jobs, and then a host of things that follow from that. Now, these 4 stateless women were born and raised in Malaysia. They are not citizens of any other country. The law, the federal constitution, use the words operation of law. It means no individual can interfere with that. So you need to understand, and I think this is a very good publication which was produced by the MCRA, Malaysian Citizenship Rights Alliance. Please also read the Suhakam statement. When they say they are going to remove the words operation of law, you have to immediately, your antenna should go up and you must quiz them. You must quiz the officials who do that, because what they're doing is they're taking away a fundamental provision in our citizenship laws. What they're saying is, now I will decide, our office will decide who becomes a citizenship. When they take away those words, it is something that is very, very seriously. Please quiz them. Why are you taking away such a basic citizenship right under citizenship laws? So they're messing with the constitution. That's what they're doing, and they're making it sound and giving reasons that are pathetic. Actually, this is a war on children by this government. This government is doing it. I'm horrified, and shame on Pakatan Harapan. Shame on them doing this, because you are going after children. How are children to know that they have to have their, birth certificate and all of that? How does that work? Please tell me. And what have they done wrong, or what have their parents done wrong that they should be deprived? So what they are trying to do with these amendments is make it easier for them to reject citizenship, when actually the federal constitution gives it to them, endows them with citizenship by operation of law. So be careful when you see those. You think it's just wording, removing the words operation by operation of law. It's not. It is very, very serious. And I think citizenship is something that is so key, actually, to our existence. Anything they do in relation to that, we better be careful, because I don't know what else they will do. What else are they going to do tomorrow with the citizenship laws? I don't know. And as I say, I'm so shocked at the reasons that are being given, because what it shows to me is that they don't have a fundamental understanding of the value of citizenship, of the value of the federal constitution. They think they can just change whatever they want and in a flash remove citizenship from so many who deserve it. And they must be stopped. I think this really is taking the cake. I don't know. We are waiting for other reforms. They're ignoring all of that. And what are they doing? They're going after the babies. They're going after the kids. I mean, look at these 4 women here. You've really interfered with their life. Do you know what it's like to live in limbo? Do they know? Have they any appreciation for that? So I strongly suggest that they withdraw these amendments. And of course, there's the other provision on the foundlings. You know about that. So that's another provision that is horrendous. And I really can't understand how any of our MPs can, in all honesty, sit there and allow this government to mess with citizenship rights. You're not messing with a statute, Amending a statute is a different thing. You're messing with this, the federal constitution, and on a key provision in the federal constitution. And so far, none of their answers that they've given none of the excuses they have given have any merit whatsoever. Actually, it proves to me they don't know what they're talking about.
So there's a particular urgency to the case of these four women, and that's why they're doing this press conference, they're here today, is because if the constitutional amendments are passed, remember, their rights to citizenship has already crystallized. I showed you just now. Under Section 1A, they're already Malaysian citizens actually. It's just that the government, the Home Ministry, is not recognizing their already existing right to citizenship and not giving them the blue IC. It's not that they are not citizens, they're not being recognized by the government, and that is where the struggle is. But if they pass this new law, it is going to take away the rights that they already have. It is that bad, this new law. It is going to wrench their rights away from them. So that is the particular urgency of this press conference and why they are here. And they are just the tip of the iceberg. There are many, 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 many more like our four friends here.